Hi, it's Yolandi from Belmy once again. So now that you know how to set up the layout of your calling information on the system, I will show you how to add the buttons. So once you are logged in, you'll go to Device Manage. Actually, not Device Manage. Sorry, you'll go to Device Discover. You can click on Ignore Authorized, and then you click on Start Scan. So once the scan is started, you will press the physical call button and you will see it comes up on the display or on the laptop or computer. You can click stop scan and you can authorize this button. So you select it and you click authorize. Once it's been authorized, you go to device manage and you will notice it's here, the one without the lock. So you'll just double click on this where it says name and you can change this to what you want it to show. So now that you already have your layout set out, you will call this, you can either call it what you have on your layout or you can just number them. So for the sake of this video, I'll name it room 1, bed 1, because that is what we have on the layout. And we'll say this is a call button. Okay, so then you click on submit. And you'll notice it's there now. So now all you do is you go to where it needs to be. So it is room 1, and inside room 1 you have bed 1. And you click on the serial number of the call button and you drag it over to the side where it says drag to device into the binding mode. Once it's there, you let go and it will show you the device has now been binded and it has a lock on the side. Now you can do the next button. So once again, you'll go to device discover and you can click on start scan and then you press the next call button. So you have to do this one by one because once you have them, they all show the same information. So if you add them all at once, you won't know which one are which. So that is why it's better to do them one by one and add them as you go. Click on authorize and you go to device manage and you'll find the one that is not binded yet because there's no lock. And then you just double click on the name and then you rename this. So this will be room 1, bed 2, call. And then you submit. And then you click on room 1, bed 2, and then you just drag it from the serial number to the side. And it's been binded. So now if you want to add a cancel button, then all you do is you'll go to device discover, you'll click on start scan, and you'll click you'll press the cancel button itself. It also comes up on the screen. So on the laptop, you'll click on authorize it, and you'll go back to device manage, and you'll find it's the one that is without the lock. And you also rename this, same as with the call button. So we will call this room 1, bed 1, cancel. Now the important difference here is where it says label on the bottom. You have to change this from call to cancel. Otherwise, the system won't pick up that it's a cancel button. Then you just click on submit. And then you link it to where it needs to be. So it's room 1, bed 1, and it's the cancel. So you just drag it down to the bottom and it has been added successfully. And then you do the same with the rest of them as well. So click on Start Scan, press the button. You'll authorize the button. You go to Manage. Then you rename the device or the button to whatever it needs to be. Room 1, bed 2, cancel. Change the label from call to cancel. And click submit. Then you go to the specific bed inside the room and you drag it over to the side and it has been binded successfully. That is how you program the buttons to the software, and when you press them they will come up on the software showing that a call has been pressed as well as on the display panel.